Hi friends, my name is Talavula Chiranjeevi. I am studying Information Technology in Section 3 and my roll number is 22BQ1A12F7. Today I am going to tell about basics of set theory in MFCS subject. So, set theory is a fundamental branch of mathematics that deals with sets which are collection of distinct objects. Here some of the basics of set theory are set, element, cardinality, subset, union, intersection, complement, empty set, universal set, set operation. These are the 10 basics of set theory. So now let me explain set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects often represented by curly braces. Example 1, 2 is a set element. An object that belongs to a set is called an element. In the set 1, 2, 3 is an element of the set. Cardinality. The cardinality is a set is the number of elements it contains. For the set 1, 2, 3, the cardinality is 3. Means here 3 elements are there. So the cardinality is 3. Subset. A set A is a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. So A subset B. So I take some examples. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in set B, if every element of A, so A subset B, union. The union of set A and B denoted as A union B is a set containing all elements that are in A, in B or both. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 3, 4, 4. So A union B is equal to combining those A and B. So the result is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection. The intersection of two sets A and B denoted as A intersection B is a set containing only the elements that are in both A and B. Means intersection means common elements in set A and set B. Here set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 5, 6, 1. So the common element is 1. Complement. The complement of a set A with respect to a universal set U denoted as A complement is the set of all elements in U that are not in A. Universal set. Universal set means set containing all the elements under consideration. It denoted as U. Set operation. Set theory includes operations like union, intersection and complement, which help to manipulate sets and perform various mathematical operations. So, thank you friends.